Hi, Rob Edwards here from PartGURUS. Today I'm at a Design to Part show. We have over 200 exhibitors on this show floor, and that means between them they have over 400 processes that they can do to help you make your products better. We often get some really interesting questions like what replaces what process, what material replaces another material. A lot of people know about CNC machining of parts, metal parts, but some are so complex. Is there any way to lower the cost on those parts? Here, let's meet Hardy Spence III from Ash Industries.
Nice to meet you. The answer is metal injection molding. The reason why is because you want repeatability, you want precision, and you want a nice surface finish. You get all three of those with a metal injection molding component. With metal injection molding, lots of people think they need a run of 10,000 pieces plus to justify the tooling. The reality is, if you've got a complex part and you've got some tight tolerances you need to hold, then it might only take 500, 1,000 pieces before you've already paid off your tooling and you're just saving yourself cash.
But what exactly is metal injection molding?
That's a great question. That's when you take pelletized metal, shoot it into a steel mold, and produce a metal injection molded part. So here's how it works. I've got two parts here. This one is after molding, this one is after sintering. This material has a binder in it that holds the metal powder together. When it goes through the sintering process, that binder is taken out, leaving you a pure steel part. Through our expertise in science, we're able to take the binder and the steel powder and produce a part that has the exact net shape. The higher your volume, the lower per piece price you get. The cost breaks just keep coming, which you don't get with machining. We're not removing material. There's no waste here. There's no scrap. You get an exact part with every shot.
You're milling away chips. Those are dollars flying out.
The chips coming off the part aren't chips of steel. They're chips of your cash. When you machine a part, you have to spend a lot of money on the back end just inspecting it, making sure every feature is within tolerance and within spec. With a molded part, you've got repeatability on your side. You measure a couple critical dimensions to confirm that they're exactly where they need to be, and you can statistically prove that the rest of the dimensions are where they need to be as well.
That's fantastic.
The bottom line is you don't need to understand every technical aspect of this process. That's what we're here for. All you need to understand is that if you've got a machined product and you want to save some money, we can propose a new solution to you. Let Ash Industries save you money on your metal products.
Please support us so we can make more videos to support American manufacturing. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.